the word surprise, that every effort, frenetic effort is made to bring some of these characters on television to always say that Peter Obi will not win. If Peter Obi does not win, will he die? Is it a family issue? If he cannot win, then let him go. Who says that the other parties or the other candidates will necessarily win? But the truth of the matter is that the war is psychological. Very, very psychological. And unfortunately, those who are involved in psychological war are not versed in psychology, both as a discipline and its practice. Because we know that it is only the man who has the ball that is tackled in a football tournament. And the tackle becomes very vicious if the price is very, very high. Those people who don't understand should watch the Qatar activities, the World Cup. The point we are making, when you hear Peter Obi this, Peter Obi that, Peter Obi this, it is a blessing. It's a blessing in disguise. One, Peter Obi have been bereft and exorcised of all the spiritual and the ghostly content of those people who have held Southeast down. And those who have become themselves an attachment to the so-called albatross that also have held Nigeria down. So, on that strength, they are out. Peter Obi then comes in a puristic sense. So people say, but he was in PDP. He came from Abga. Would he have come from the moon? When you are a leader and when you were a follower, the difference is clear. Because the view of the road differs when you are on the steering as driver than when you are on the side as passenger. Because you are afford to look and say there's a masquerade on the side, which have been seen by the driver from a distance. But he cares less because he has a direction. Peter Obi has shown that his interest is to deliver this country from these unproductive elements who are interested in wasting our assets in the same way they have wasted their lives.